Hey everybody, it's Tyson here at Blacksite. I'm very excited today to show off a little project that I teamed up here with Mr. Labella at the Jerzee Devil Forums. It's a special edition of our Blacksite Plasma Series carbon fiber dog tags. It's part of our dark matter line of jewelry and accessories. It's the JD special edition and is available singularly or as a set. One JD logo and one text only as explained in the thread by Mr. Labella. These are only available on the JD and at a special price exclusively for JD members. I wanted to do this video mainly because the pictures of them just don't do them justice. The 3D effect when in hand is just amazing. It's a really deep effect caused by the thick epoxy I use to fill in the pocket with partially. It protects the logo and is very durable, completely repairable, easy to sand and polish and buff up if ever needed. But most of all, it gives off this amazing effect. You can see what I mean as it turns in the light. It looks at times as if the logo is floating as the light and the carbon patterns kind of move around it. The epoxy is like a mirror-like finish, as you can see. It just gives it a great look. It's absolutely beautiful. Anyway, these are made out of our most popular material, the 670 2x2 twill. Being a special edition for the JD, I wanted to make it a little different from our normal dog tags. These are a little bit larger. They're 1.2 inches wide versus the normal 1-inch normal tags. Gave me more room for a larger JD logo. Makes it really pop. The plasma channel is machined out extra deep at 0.04 inches deep to get the more plasma material in I could. It gives it the brightest logo I've ever made for anyone yet. Here's a difference between the special edition JD and a normal one of my normal tags. See, the normal tag is just 1 inch thick. Just gave it a little bit more room, a little bit bigger, thicker. Just something a little extra for this special edition that I wanted to do. So the best way to charge these guys is natural daylight. Like if you're outside walking around and come inside, you'll notice it glowing really brightly. Even if it's a cloudy day, the natural daylight's the best. Direct sunlight is amazingly bright as well. Some household lights work, some don't work at all. You'll just have to try it out and see what you got around. The second best way to do it is what I'm going to use here to charge it up is a black light. It charges it really, really intensely bright. Yeah, cheat here and turn that guy on. And then we'll find a dimly lit area here to check it out. And by the way, here's the black chain you can see that we offer. It's a 24-inch chain, and then the other choice is the stainless steel. It's at 27 inches long. And before I turn this and take over the dim light, I wanted to show also the polish on the backs of these. Went the extra mile on these. I mean, it is absolutely stunning. I mean, this is just polished. The same carbon that everybody buys from me for their handles, just sanded down and polished really well. There's no coating on this whatsoever, and it's just amazingly shiny. It's really looks awesome. You can see it. Anyway, let's charge this and take a look at the logo when it's glowing real bright. Just takes a few seconds on the black light, same as if it was outside or sunlight. You already see it a little bit even here in the bright lights. Let's take it over here. So as we move into a dimmer area, you see it really pop. It really glows nicely. Look at that. I mean, that's really bright. Like I said, the brightest one I've ever made for anybody yet. It really looks great. And then that effect in a low light with it glowing and the pattern changing around it. That's what I mean. In hand, it still doesn't capture it quite that well here on video, but in hand, it really looks like it's floating. It's beautiful. Really impressed with how it turned out. Oh, one part I almost forgot about that I wanted to give a little example of here on these is a second tag with the text only. I have a couple for the orders that are in so far that are in process that I'll get some pictures up soon of an example, but to give you kind of a little example of what the text will look like, I'll show you this one here off of my bracelet. It's just my logo, and the text is a little bit bigger than what you'll get on the your tag, but it will be a little bit deeper than this. It'll be brighter. Here, let me charge this too and show you what it looks like. The combo set looks really nice of the logo and then the text tag behind it. You can see here the text stands out really nice. Beautiful plasma color there. Same effect as the logo on the other one I was talking about with the pattern change, and looks like it floats around it. So I'll get pictures of the actual one up here in a couple days, but just want to let you guys check that out. Looks pretty good. It'll be a little bit finer. Yeah, that's about it. So take care. Hope you enjoyed watching today, and please order yours very soon in the dedicated thread on the JD Gear section. It's at an amazing discount for JD members. Please ask any questions or any info you need at all about ordering on that thread. I'll try to check it a couple times a day, see if I can help out with any questions at all. Thanks for watching. Take care.